Hi, this is Steve Hoffacker. Thanks for joining me. I'm a certified aging-in-place specialist and a master instructor. A question that I get asked frequently is, do I need to be a contractor? Do I need to be a handyman? Should I have some construction knowledge before trying to take my CAPS certification? Do I have to belong to a builders association? The answer to all of these is no, you do not. All you need is the interest in helping other people. Regardless of your skill set, regardless of your profession, it does not require a special construction background. Now, that's important, and we want to create some improvements in our client's home. We're going to have to partner with a contractor to widen doorways or reverse a door swing or take out a tub or change out cabinets or appliances or hallways or floors or whatever. It's going to require some construction experience, but not necessarily from us. So if you don't, or we don't have that background in construction, it's okay. We just need people who are interested in working with individuals as they want to remain in their homes and age in place over time. This is Steve Hoffacker. Thanks for joining me. Until next time.